Welcome to a new video on Trimble Virtual World. Today we review the new feature on the version 2.9. Okay, so this is a quick overview of the new feature in 2.9.0 which is released to you. So as you can see, first we have done a lot of work on enhancing the map and allowing you to bring now the entire world inside the virtual world. So this has been implemented using the Cesium feature. So you are able to create your own account and bring your own data that you are using from the Cesium to the virtual world. Simply, we will be reading the latitude and longitude that you are setting up inside your Quest or inside the Earth map. So let's review where you will find this stuff. So simply inside the setting, you will go to the Earth map, and under the drop-down list, you will have none by default, but you can switch to Cesium and add your own token key. Inside this list, you will be able to access all this information and decide which layer to display during your world experience and during your quest. By entering the location, so this location will be used for the world, open world. If you jump to the open world, we have a new card. This card is the one used for the Earth map, we call it, which is the entire world. So he will use this lat long for simulating and building this environment. But obviously you can do the same thing inside the creator mode, and this is what I'm going to show you quickly as we have a new capability and we have enhanced this creation again. So I'm going to do a quick example. And so make sure you pick the Earth map. There will be a full video tutorial to explain you how to do all this stuff. For the quick purpose of this video, I'm going to use the open streets building, the world terrain, and the aerial image to that. Apply, Google Office, and I'm going to do edit. As we start, we'll have the entire world we wanted, the location we have set will be used for this quest. So we have here Christchurch, New Zealand, and this is a Trimble office building. Okay, so we have our character currently on the road. We will need to take it off the road, and so I'm going to select it and move it around a safer place. What we want to do as well is build this environment. We don't want to leave it just a basic map. We want to create a more immersive. So for that, I'm going to jump quickly into the prop and allow to create more immersive experience. As we see, we don't have the Christchurch office building here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go straight to the Connect and import the building we have created for the office. And here we are. We are now placing the IFC model of the Trimble building. This model was originally created from SketchUp, and we are going to place it. As we can see, we are quite above the ground. So let me show you a couple of tricks. I'm placing here, and I'm going to select it again. They bring the new transform capability. We are now able to drag and drop the model wherever we want it. I'm going to use the plane to move this building on the plane. I'm going to refine my location. Et voilà. my building is placed approximately where I need to be. We can see there is a difference between the open street building and the real design of this building. So when I will run the quest, I will turn off the open street building. We are happy with that. Now we probably want to add a couple of trucks. I will place them, rotate them, and I will leave it right where it should be by the loading. We want to probably place our character right at the entrance, so let's place it. Place our total station close by, and voila. Everything is done very quickly and very easily inside the new quest with the Cesium map. Now let's look at the other functionality we have introduced inside the virtual world. Let me switch back to the main home tab, jump to the Learn, and jump into this new quest. Have you seen how did I navigate around the quest builder? This is because we have created a lot of enhancement around the Xbox controller to make your experience even better and easier. So we have reviewed what are the controls and what are they doing for you. So with the left joystick, you will be moving around. With the right trigger, with the right button, you will be sprinting, while the left one will allow you to do a precise placement. Do you need to move the camera around? Use your right stick to move around. Do you need to reset? Just click the right stick. Maybe you want to place a mark. The X point, the X button will place the pegs where the rod is. Have you seen how does the rod raised? That is because we want it at the top. But do you see as well the new control? Now we have a full interactive system. So when I walk close to an interactive object, I get a couple of information on what I can do. So maybe I want to remove these pegs. Just confirm that and up is gone. Get close to the total station, you know what you have to do. Pick it and place it. Do you want to place it over a control mark? Let's switch to the control mark. Now with the D-pad, left button, you open directly the wheel selection, use your left stick, place, and select what you want to do. And use B to go back. I'm going to place a marker here. The marker is going to ask me, what do you want to do? Do you remember in the past, we was not stopping right on the marker. Now we allow you to get in proximity and say, place a pole over the mark. Now you are perfectly centered with your control point. What about the total station? This is the same. You are able to pick it and place it. As simple as this. We have fully reviewed this control and we will do the same for the keyboard to bring you a better experience. But let me tell you something else. We have integrated a new functionality inside the Learn tab. Now, when you register to a course, your course will be automatically downloaded from the Trimble Learn platform. So like that, anyone can provide you a course and you will get all your content inside. This is actually one of the courses that I downloaded from the Learn platform. So let's review it. Here we have the Cathedral of the Blessing. This quest is about learning on how to scan the virtual world. You can walk to a place, get your set of instructions, and carry on. Simply, as an instructor, you are now able to track progress of your user and understanding how far he went in this quest. what started and what is in progress. You can monitor the players and give them feedback while they send you some data for reviewing. But let's say you might want to see the world from a different perspective. Inside this, we have integrated a new functionality. You have two different gameplay, the fly-through or the bird eyes. The bird eyes, the fly-through allow you to really fly around your object, understanding a bit more of the context of this world. Get some couple of scenic shots. Maybe you want to share it with your instructor or learning about it. While the bird eye view always keep a down-facing camera. That's everything for this video, and I hope you will be able to enjoy the new version of the Virtual World 2.9.0 and try the new feature inside this release. See you later!